We are showing you this house and lot for sale located at the heart of Angeles City. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 348 square meters, floor area of 290 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living area, dining area, service kitchen, office, furnished with 1 carport. Priced at 18 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. So first, let's talk about the location because you know what they say in real estate? Location, location, location. And I think this is one of the best locations that you can have here in Angeles City. This is near AUF, Robinsons, near Balibago. If you're familiar with those places, marami dong establishments and hospitals and schools. You name it, they have it here. The facade of the house, what I would say is modern classic. So it's a bungalow house that is pre-owned but lovingly maintained. So we have this gate right here for your carport, your pedestrian gate, and you have some greenery on this side that I think pag na-refresh to, very, very nice. So let's enter through this pedestrian gate. Upon entry, you will be greeted by the sound, the relaxing sound of your very own pool right here. It's a good size pool. Ito agad yung bubungad sa atin. Then, dito meron siyang parang jacuzzi area or kiddie pool dun sa side na yon. Okay? Now, this right here is originally a 2 carport, but currently, nilagyan nila ng office space dito. So if you're the new owner, diba, you have the option to keep it as is or make this as your second vehicle carport. So silipin natin yung office, guys. Ayan. So it's a good size office. Perfecto kung merong home business, online selling, napakaganda. Okay? And this side right here is your access to the service area. And may dogs tayo dyan. Hello, doggy. Okay. Now, guys, tingnan nyo naman, oh, kahit pre-owned siya, the owner said that less than a year lang nila tinirahan yung bahay kasi this is intended for their kids sa school. Pero since nag-transfer na yung anak nila, they're selling it. It's high ceiling kahit bungalow siya. We have these windows at yung sliding door na yon is the access to the master bedroom. Okay, let's enter to this screen door that will lead us to, when I first saw this house, akala ko ito na yung living area, but this is just the foyer, okay? So, foyer, depende. Comment down below kung anong tamang pronunciation. So, it's a good space. Pwedeng receiving area ito. We have this couch right here. Accent chairs over there. We have this faux plants right here. And guys, most of the things that you will see in this household is included, except of course for the personal items ng owners natin. Okay? So very nice. Yung windows na to overlooks the office, no? So ako nakikita ko tong good use nito. Pag may guest ka na business ang purpose, napakaganda kasi pwede dito sila. Then on this side, we step up right here. And by the way guys, very neat yung choice of tiling ng property. We step up and this is the main door. Okay? So let's go in. Hi Biscuit. Meet Biscuit. Biscuit, hi. Now, as we enter, come in, we will be greeted by this very spacious living area right here. The furnitures are custom made specifically for this house. Napakaganda. We have a very nice artwork over here. Stucco finish ang side dito and also dito. We have these accent chairs and a very tall lamp. Tas may television tayo right here. So perfect for entertaining your family or your friends, di ba? Here. And also, guys, this is a solid wood custom-made center table. That is included, of course, sa sale natin. Okay? The neat tiling continues dito sa ating dining area. This is your dining area. You have your 10-seater solid wood dining table right here for your meal times. And by the way, guys, sobrang wow because, like I said, custom made. Yung wood na ginamit dito are different types of wood like Nara, Kamagong, mahogany. Meron siya dito. Kaya iba-iba yung shade niya. No? So, hindi ko lang ma-point out which is which. No? Hindi ako expert sa wood. But it's really, really nice. Yung dining table pa lang is an artwork in itself. Right here, we have this coffee station. Diba? Napakaganda. Windows right here. Plus, this side, very interesting. We have this bar set up right here. Also, meron tayong coffee station ulit dito. Ang ganda. Now, the kitchen is very nice because we have this center island right here. I believe this is a granite countertop. Range hood, 5-burner gas range. We have our sink over here. Another sink. Diba? Storage and more stove and storage underneath. Plus, you have your 2-door refrigerator right here that when you knock, hindi lang siya naka-on ngayon, makikita natin yung nasa loob. Ang ganda. Okay? Quick break mga ka-house tour. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for watching, liking, and sharing our videos. We recently hit 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube, 43,000 on TikTok, and 11,000 on Facebook. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It helps us find the next homeowner from Live Realty. And also, I'd like to thank Modu Pro for sponsoring this video. If you need quality and reasonably priced modulars like this one, contact Modu Pro. Thanks! And this corner, very interesting because this is a seating area or a breakfast nook. So let's check the service areas first. So let's go. So from the kitchen, you go right here. By the way, guys, we have this door. This is a bedroom with own bathroom but currently being used as a storage. Hindi natin bubuksan kasi may mga personal items. Okay? Then we step down. We have a door that leads to your daily kitchen over here. Daily kitchen, you have your stove, countertop, we have a sink, storage, okay, preparation table right here. Then, this door is your staff room. Very spacious, they have their own toilet and bath, but this is the own toilet and bath. Then this is, ito yung tinuro ko sa inyo kanina, na access to the carport over there. Hello! Okay? Laundry area, sampayan, and very secured. Tapos meron siyang ventilation para pag nag-dry out ka ng clothes, perfect yan. Okay? Now let's go back in. So from the service area, para ma-appreciate nyo yung layout, door, then we step up, a bedroom with own bathroom, currently being used as a storage. Then we go back to the beautiful kitchen, coffee station, your bar area, another coffee station, and your beautiful dining area. Okay? Let's take one more look sa ating living area from that angle. Kasi ang ganda, no? Very modern. Oh. Ang ganda. Yet classy, no? I think yung style na ganito, kahit anong year is hindi naluluma. Okay? Now, let's check the bedrooms. So this right here is a bedroom. Yan. May mga personal items lang, guys, no? So let's enter. Very nice bed. Ang ganda, no? Rattan bed. Right here, we have air conditioning. We have this window. behind these curtains. Diba? We have cabinetry over here. Ang ganda ng color, sage green. Diba? Study. And it has its own toilet and bath with, of course, a sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with water heater. Very nice. Okay? Okay, then we step down. Another view of the living area. We turn right here, another door. There is another bedroom. We have a study right here. The bed is over here and tons of closet space right here with this full-sized body mirror. Napakaganda. Okay? By the way, guys, this bedroom has access to this Jack and Jill bathroom right here. Let's see. Surprise! They have their sink, toilet, and enclosed shower over here. Now, the highlight, kasi favorite area ko yung living area, but syempre yung highlight natin is the master. So, by the way guys, mention ko lang kasi, di ba kanina sobrang nag-fanboy ako dun sa dining table natin. This one is same design ng dining table natin, made from different types of wood like Nara, Kamagong, Mahogany, and all. Ayan, ang ganda. Napakalaking mirror. And this console right here, custom made, included also in the sale. Okay, now this door is the master. We step up, then you will be greeted by this very nice, abundant space of the master. So you have your bed right here, side tables on both sides, very nice pendant lights right there. Ganda rin ng artwork, plus this very interesting light fixture above your bed. Okay? Now, we have a console right here for your television, a vanity for your preparation before you go out, diba? Makeup, skincare, and all. Dito mangyayari yan. Plus, the built-ins over here for your clothes and outfits. Very, very nice. Air conditioning is installed. We have an access to the pool right here. Ang ganda. Imagine waking up to this, so. Diba? Napakaganda. And of course, the master bedroom has its own ensuite master bathroom that has a sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with water heater right there. Ang ganda guys, and I can say that this property, considering the location, the build quality, and the price, sobrang good deal. Kaya guys, kunin nyo to. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Now, let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 348 square meters, floor area of 290 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living area, dining area, service kitchen, office, furnished with 1 carport, priced at 18 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.